Yes. Here is the love of the land, Aotearoa, heard upon the wind. The sun shines upon the hills, the rivers sparkle in the morning light. The wind blows beneath the great sky. It feels like a perfect day for us. Greenstone in the heart, the tides of the sea. Ancient voices that are still heard, treasure found along every path, in this land where our spirit rests. From the mountains to the ocean shores, this love remains forever. Though we wander or we may leave, peace stays deep within us. The world breathes and lives again. Lift your hands up to the stars, feel the love deep in your soul. One heart beating as one. Aotearoa, my true home. Aotearoa, shining bright. Feel the river flowing deep inside. Highest mountains, rolling oceans. This is where I belong. Aotearoa, glowing bright. Beauty of this sacred land. Unity is our true path. Let us sing as one. Sing it loud, let it be heard. This is our land. Aotearoa, sing it loud, let it be heard. This is our land. Summer nights beside a glowing fire, laughter shared beneath the moon. Simple life, yet a precious treasure, beautiful as the seashells form. Roots are woven deep within the earth, ancient love carried on the wind. Strength lives in every heartbeat, manna lives within every voice. Culture shines just like the sun, all people standing side by side. No matter how far I may roam, this land stays deep within my heart. Listen to the waves upon the shore, look up at the stars in the sky. Feel the spirit as we sing as one. Love and peace forever. Aotearoa, shining bright. Feel the river flowing deep inside. Highest mountains, rolling oceans. This is where I belong. Aotearoa, glowing bright. Beauty of this sacred land. Love that will endure forever, now and evermore. Aotearoa, my home. Aotearoa, my home.